my parent, Lisa. Toriana. No, Toriana, take my pants off. I can't wear your shoes. Now, wear your shoes now. I'm going to wear my shoes. I'm not bending on us, Mom.
Alyssa. Hey. Look. Can you please look up? Say, and scene.
And scene.
Say, how old are you?
How are you?
No, Alyssa, how old are you?
2.
2. Say, I'll see you later, everybody.
Bye.
No, say, I'll see you later, everybody.
See you later.
Yeah, you're too cool for everybody?
Yep.
No. Can you say, see you later, Daddy?
Bye, Daddy.
Aww. Say, see you later, Aiden?
See you later, Eden.
Oh, were you mad at him today?
Yep.
No.
Yeah.
Why?
Because he's sad.
What did he say?
He said, Alyssa.
He said Alyssa. You can't be mad at him for saying Alyssa.
Hey, surprise!
Surprise? What is that?
Mirror! Mirror!
Say, Alyssa, look.